Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Ford Focus MK3 guys. This is the third generation Ford Focus from year 2012 to year 2019, and we'll show you guys how to remove or how to replace your headlight assembly. We'll demonstrate, we'll show you guys on one side, but the other side is exactly the same. Both of them are identical. Quick introduction: every car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 videos, including guys this Ford Focus, this generation. Why? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you need to purchase any tools or parts guys for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can save even more money and you can see where you can get cheap replacement headlights as well. So let's go ahead, start on it and show you what we need to do. So we'll actually go ahead and show you on both of them, so that way you know guys for sure everything. But what do we need now? We need guys a torque sturdy star looking bit. Okay, let me focus here quick, perfect, like that. You can find guys the links in the description of the video below, as I said, for all the tools and parts that we use, so check it out if you need something. Okay, the bolt that we removed right here. Now we have a second one over there. Remove that one as well guys. Now what do? You grab the headlight, it comes kind of like in an angle. Come up there first, up. Then it slides out a little bit, then okay, right here you need to get it out and pull the headlight out. Now that wire guys, how you disconnect it, let me explain quick. You need to push that thing in, then right here that notch you're going to pry it back and disconnect the headlight. Okay, first push it in to break it loose, and then this thing you pry it back, and when you pry it back, okay, it opens that clip on the inside and passenger side is out. Let's go ahead and remove the driver side as well guys. So now let's go ahead and do the driver side guys. Super simple, same bolt right there in the corner, one on top. Get it out of here first. Now you need to come on the front, slide it out of the bumper and disconnect the headlight. Now headlight wires, push it in, pry back, disconnect, and this one is out. As you can see, just like that, both headlights came out. So that's how you guys remove the headlights on Ford Focus. Putting it together is exactly in reverse order we took it apart. If you need to buy new ones or replacement ones, check out the link in the description of the video below. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.